Hello again. Tonight I'm at Loch Ness. I've just arrived and got the tent put up. The one Tigris iron wall and the one Tigris cot. I'm having real difficulty getting the legs on that thing, so if anyone can help me out with their tips, please leave a comment, because I'm struggling. I keep having to put them on upside down at the moment. It's kind of working, but it would be nice if I couldn't. I don't know how to stretch the canvas. So I'm going to get the kettle on, have a coffee, and then make dinner. Tonight's dinner is smoked sausage gnocchi. So I'm looking forward to that. It's been a busy day. Alright, I'll be back in a second once I've got set up for cooking. I'm using the Trangia again today with the Go System gas conversion unit that goes into it. I'm quite enjoying using the gas. It's nice to be able to boil water quickly. Tonight will be the first time I've made an evening meal on it, so we'll see how we get on doing actual cooking rather than just boiling water. For tonight's dinner, I've got smoked sausage, gnocchi, mushrooms, garlic and double cream. I've also got some Italian herbs in my bag, and I'm just going to make a little creamy kind of pasta dish. Gnocchi's really quick to cook, so I'll be able to cook it with the boiling water from my coffee, and in the time it is cooking I'll have everything else cut up and ready to go. The gnocchi is ready when it starts to float, so we can see it floating now, so we can take that off. In my other pan I've got some butter, and I'll put the sausages in. Oh, lost one. As well as the mushrooms. This will also work on the mess burner. It even works on a campfire in like a zebra billy can or something like that. Got some garlic going in. I've now drained the gnocchi and added it back in with a little bit of the water from the gnocchi as well, just to stop it cooking too quickly. I've got some mixed Italian herbs. And the gnocchi should start to sort of go crunchy on the outside eventually. So you want it soft and fluffy in the middle, and then crunchy on the outside. A bit like roast potatoes. And finally, we'll add a little bit of double cream. Right, that's about done. And there we go. Bit of black pepper on the top. Super quick, super tasty, healthy as well, sort of. That's really nice. Alright, I'm going to go and enjoy this and then spend a bit of time down at the beach at Loch Ness here before it gets dark in about an hour or so. Alright, I'll see you in the morning. Morning. It's about 6:30. I've just woken up, got a coffee on. I slept really well, I always do here, with the sound of the loch and the sound of the woodland, and birds wake you up. It's a nice place to be. It's relaxing and peaceful. It's a nice change from sitting at a desk. It's a bit overcast and rainy, but I'll finish my coffee and then have a wander down by the loch, get packed up and head home. It's a nice mix of beach, forest, camping. It's not too far out of Inverness here. It's about 6-7 miles from Inverness. I've been coming camping here since I was 12 with Scouts. It's one of my favourite places to be. Loch Ness is 26 miles long, so up the other end there's Uckert Castle, near Fort Augustus. There's more water in Loch Ness than all the freshwater lakes and rivers in England and Wales combined. It's a staggering amount of water. Although oddly, it isn't Scotland's longest loch and it isn't Scotland's deepest, but it's still got a massive volume. That white building with the marquee over there is the Dores Inn. It's a sort of country pub that does food. It's got an outdoor toilet that's open when the pub's open, and it's got a water tap as well, so it's quite a nice place to camp because you can use the facilities as long as you nip in for a pint. Don't park in the car park though, because they do lock it. You end up with your car locked in until the pub opens. A lot of people have been building fires here of late, certainly through lockdown, or as a result of lockdown. More and more people have been coming here. But these gorse bushes just catch fire really quickly. There's usually quite a strong wind blowing down the loch, and it just blows any sparks straight into the woodland. So if you are going to come here, please don't set fire to anything. It happens a handful of times a year anyway, but it's not a good place to have a fire. Right, that's me all packed after a relaxing 2-day trip. First of all, up to Old Shoremore Beach in the West Highlands, and then here at Loch Ness. It's been nice to be out. As I said, it's been my first camping trip for months and months. Over Christmas I got COVID, and combined with my autoimmune disorder, it made me quite ill, so it's the first time I've been out. But I'm up to it now, so I'm back in the game, and hopefully over the next couple of months I'll get to do a lot more kayaking, maybe camping on an island somewhere on one of the Scottish Highlands, maybe Arran, and I'll be out doing some astrophotography as well, probably down in Glencoe for that. It's really cool down there. So if you like that sort of stuff, then please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Alright, bye for now.